Jai Shri Gurudev, welcome to chemistry online classes. So today we'll continue that is reactions of aldehydes and ketones. So that is reaction with ammonia and its derivatives. In that, the third reaction is reaction with hydroxylamine. Reaction with hydroxylamine. Carbonyl compounds on reaction with hydroxylamine, that is NH2OH, gives the intermediate. That intermediate is carbon single bond connected to single bond, OH connected to HN connected to OH. Okay. So this on hydrolysis, that is removal of water, takes place to form the final product, that is single bond C connected to double bond N connected to OH plus H2O. The product formed is called oxime. That is single bond C, double bond N connected to OH. So H2O, water molecule is removed. This product is called as oxide. So if we take examples for this reaction is, so take aldehyde, acetaldehyde, CH3, CH1. Acetaldehyde reacts with hydroxylamine. Formula for hydroxylamine is NH2OH. To give the intermediate product CH3C, single bond H, single bond OH connected to single bond, so NOH. So finally, on dehydration, that is removal of water molecule takes place to give the product CH3C, CH3, single bond CH, double bond N connected to single bond OH plus H2O. The product formed is called as acetaldehyde oxime. The product formed is called acetaldehyde oxime. So second example, if we take ketone, that is acetone, CH3CO, CH3. Ketone on reaction with hydroxylamine gives intermediate, that is CH3 single bond C, single bond CH3, single bond OH, single bond NH connected to OH. So this on hydrolysis, that is removal of water molecule, gives CH3 single bond C, single bond CH3 connected to double bond N connected to OH plus H2O. The product formed is called acetone oxime or acetoxime. You can also write this as acetoxime. The product formed is called acetoxime. If we take acetaldehyde, acetaldeoxime is formed. If we take ketone, that is acetone, the product formed is acetoxide. So this is about reaction with hydroxylamine. So fourth one is reaction with hydrazine. Reaction with hydrazine. The formula for hydrazine is NH2 single bond NH2. Reaction with hydrazine, so that is NH2 single bond NH2. Aldehyde and ketones, that is carbonyl compounds, reacts with hydrazine NH2 single bond NH2 to form the intermediate, that is COH single bond NH connected to NH2. So these are dehydration. That is removal of water molecule to give the intermediate, that is single bond C double bond N connected to NH2 plus H2O. This is hydrazone. Hydrogen becomes hydrazone. So examples for this type of reaction is, if you take aldehyde, acetaldehyde, CH3CHO reacts with hydrazine, to form the intermediate CH3C single bond H, single bond, OH single bond NH connected to single bond NH2. So these are dehydration. So water molecule is removed. The product formed is CH3 single bond CH connected to double bond N connected to NH2 plus H2O. This is acetaldehyde hydrazone. Acetaldehyde hydrazone. So likewise, if you take ketone, that is CH3CO CH3. Ketone, acetone reacts with hydrazine to form the intermediates. So this on dehydration gives CH3 single bond CH3 double bond N connected to NH2 plus H2O. This is acetone hydrazone. This acetone hydrazone. So if we take acetaldehyde, the product formed is acetaldehyde hydrazone. If we take acetone, the product formed is acetone hydrazone. This is reaction with hydrazine. So next is reaction with phenylhydrazine. Next is fifth reaction with phenylhydrazine. Reaction with phenylhydrazine. So carbonyl compounds on treating with phenylhydrazine, that is C6H5 NH2 gives intermediate single bond carbon, single bond OH, single bond NH, single bond C6H5. So this on dehydration gives the product, that is single bond C double bond N connected to NH single bond C6H5 plus H2O. So that is water molecule is removed. This is called phenylhydrazone. Examples for this type of reaction is, so first you take aldehyde, that is acetaldehyde CH3CHO. Acetaldehyde reacts with phenylhydrazine. To form the intermediates, that is CH3 single bond C connected to single bond H connected to OH single bond NH, single bond C6H5. So this are dehydration. So that is water molecule is removed. To form the intermediate, that is CH3CH double bond N, single bond NH, single bond C6H5 plus H2O. The product formed is called acetaldehyde, acetaldehyde, phenyl hydrazone, acetaldehyde, phenyl hydrazone. So likewise, if you take ketone, that is acetone, the product formed is acetone phenyl hydrazone. Acetone phenyl hydrazone. The reaction can be written as CH3 COCH. This is acetone reacts with phenyl hydrazine to form the intermediates CH3 single bond C, single bond CH3, single bond OH, single bond NH, single bond NH, single bond C6H5. This on dehydration, that is removal of water molecule, gives CH3 single bond C, single bond CH3, double bond N connected to single bond NH connected to C6H5. This is acetone phenyl hydrazone. Acetone phenyl hydrazone, and this one is acetone so phenyl hydrazone. So if you take acetaldehyde, phenyl hydrazone is formed. If you take ketone, that is acetone, the product formed is acetone phenyl hydrazone. So next reaction is reaction with next some reaction with phenyl hydrazine. Next sixth one is reaction with semi-carbazide. Next sixth reaction with semi-carbazide. Reaction with semi-carbazide. The formula of carbazide is NH2 NH single bond C double bond O connected to NH2, connected to NH2. So single bond NH connected to CO connected to NH2. This is carbazide. This is semi-carbazide. Semi-carbazide. Carbonyl compounds reacts with semi-carbazide NH2 single bond NH single bond CO connected to NH2 to form the intermediates. That is single bond C connected to single bond OH connected to so NH connected to NH connected to C double bond O connected to NH2. So this on dehydration gives the product that is C double bond N connected to NH connected to CO connected to NH2 plus H2O. So the product formed is called semi-carbazone. The example for this reaction is, so take aldehyde first. That aldehyde is acetaldehyde CH3 CHO. Acetaldehyde reacts with semi-carbazide NH2 single bond NH connected to CO connected to NH2 to form the intermediates that is CH3 single bond C connected to single bond OH connected to NH connected to single bond NH connected to CO connected to single bond NH2 plus H2 O. This is acetaldehyde semi-carbazone. Acetaldehyde semi-carbazone. Acetaldehyde semi-carbazone. Sorry, so it's not this is intermediate. So this on hydrolysis, gives CH3 single bond CH double bond N connected to NH. That is C double bond O connected to NH2 plus H2O. This is acetaldehyde semi-carbazole. Acetaldehyde semi-carbazole. Likewise, if we take second example, that is ketones. Acetone CH3CO CH3. Acetone reacts with semi-carbazide. Acetone reacts with semi-carbazide to form the intermediate. It is CH3 single bond C single bond CH3 single bond OH single bond NH single bond NH single bond CO single bond NH2. So this on dehydration so gives the product CH3 single bond C single bond CH3 double bond N connected to single bond NH single bond CO single bond NH2 plus H2O. The product formed is acetone semi-carbazone. Acetone semi-carbazone. If we take acetaldehyde semi-carbazone is formed. If we take acetone semi-carbazone is formed. So this is a word. So reaction with semi-carbazide. So last reaction is reaction with 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine, that is 2,4 DNP. Reaction with 2,4 DNP. This is last reaction, seventh reaction. 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine. Formula for this one is NH2 single bond NH. This is connected to benzene ring, that is 2,4. This is 2. This is 4 dinitro. 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine. 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine. Two comma four dinitrophenyl hydrazine. Carbonyl compounds reacts with 2,4 DNP. 2,4 DNP, that is 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine. So this is 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine. To form the intermediate, that intermediate is C single bond OH single bond NH single bond NH single bond connected to this is benzene ring at 2,4 position, that is nitro groups. So these are dehydration. So that removes water molecule to form C double bond N connected to NH. So that is connected to benzene ring, that is 2,4 position dinitro, that is 2,4 dinitro phenyl hydrazone. 2,4 dinitro phenyl hydrazone is formed. Okay, this is the reaction. For this reaction, if we take examples. So first one, aldehyde. You take acetaldehyde, CH3CHO. Acetaldehyde reacts with 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazine. 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazine to form the intermediates. CH3C, single bond H, single bond OH, single bond NH, single bond NH, single bond connected to benzene ring. 2,4 position is dinitro. So this on hydrolysis dehydration, so gives the product CH3 single bond CH double bond N connected to NH, that is connected to the benzene ring at 2,4 position nitro. This is carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde 2,4 dinitro phenyl hydrazone. Acetaldehyde 2,4 dinitro phenyl hydrazone. Okay. So likewise, if you take another example, that is ketone, acetone, CH3COCH. Acetone reacts with 2,4 DNP. 2,4 DNP, dinitrophenylhydrazine, to form the intermediate CH3 single bond CH3 single bond OH single bond NH single bond NH single bond connected to benzene ring 2,4 position nitro. So this on dehydration, so there is molar water molecule gives the product CH3 single bond CH3 single bond CH3 connected to double bond N, single bond NH connected to benzene ring at 2,4 position is nitro group. This is acetone 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazone. Acetone 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazone is formed. So this is about reaction with ammonia and its derivatives. So this is important. So next is